The Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth. It covers approximately 5.5 million square kilometers and stretches across 9 countries in South America, with the majority located in Brazil. At its center flows the Amazon River, the largest river in the world by water volume, releasing enormous amounts of fresh water into the Atlantic Ocean and influencing global ocean circulation. But the Amazon is more than just a vast forest. It is a living, breathing climate system. The rainforest is structured in 4 main layers: the emergent layer, the canopy, the understory, and the forest floor. The tallest trees rise more than 60 meters into the sky, receiving direct sunlight. Below them, the canopy forms a dense green roof where most wildlife lives. Very little sunlight reaches the forest floor, only about 2%, creating a humid environment where decomposition happens rapidly. One of the most fascinating features of the Amazon is its ability to generate much of its own rainfall. Trees absorb groundwater through their roots and release water vapor through their leaves in a process called transpiration. This moisture rises into the atmosphere, forms clouds, and eventually falls back as rain. Scientists estimate that up to half of the region's rainfall is recycled through this process. These moving streams of atmospheric moisture are often called flying rivers. This rainfall system helps stabilize regional and even global climate patterns. The Amazon also plays a major role in regulating carbon. Through photosynthesis, trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it in their trunks, branches, roots, and soil. The forest holds billions of tons of carbon, making it one of the largest carbon sinks on Earth. However, when forests are cut or burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, increasing greenhouse gas levels. Biodiversity in the Amazon is extraordinary. The region contains about 10% of the world's known species. It is home to over 40,000 plant species, more than 1,300 bird species, and hundreds of mammal species. Many of these species are endemic, meaning they exist nowhere else on Earth. Despite this richness, the soil of the Amazon is surprisingly low in nutrients. Most nutrients are stored in living plants rather than in the ground. When leaves fall or organisms die, fungi, insects, and microorganisms rapidly decompose the material, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. If the forest is cleared, heavy rainfall quickly washes away exposed nutrients, making long-term agriculture difficult. Human activities such as cattle ranching, agriculture, logging,
Cattle ranching drives deforestation. Vast areas of the Amazon rainforest are cleared to create grazing land for cattle.
Forest loss reduces biodiversity, disrupts rainfall cycles, and releases stored carbon into the atmosphere. Scientists warn that if deforestation continues beyond a certain point, parts of the Amazon could experience reduced rainfall.
This animation demonstrates a reduction in rainfall risk, showing fewer clouds and less. It conveys a positive change, suggesting improved weather conditions.
Also influences weather patterns beyond South America. Moisture generated by the forest affects rainfall in surrounding regions and contributes to broader climate stability. In addition, the forest supports indigenous communities and contains plant species that are valuable for scientific and medical research. In reality, the Amazon is not just a forest. It is a complex, interconnected system that produces rain, stores carbon, recycles nutrients, and supports millions of species. Understanding how the Amazon works helps us understand how Earth's natural systems are connected.